Understanding how to make money with artificial intelligence, AI, is an exciting task, a journey into the future and also a look into the present. Today, more and more people and companies are turning to AI to improve their profitability, innovate their work processes, and offer better products or services. Here I will explain some of the most exciting and viable ways to make money with artificial intelligence, but remember, these are just some of the endless possibilities that are presented to us in this technological era. Artificial intelligence in marketing. Marketing has transformed from a traditionally intuitive and experience-based discipline to a data-centric science thanks to the advancement of AI. In this context, AI is being used to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve marketing effectiveness. A good example of how AI is being used in marketing is the use of chatbots. Chatbots are software programs that can interact with customers in natural language, either text or voice, and are very useful for improving the customer experience. For example, Domino's Pizza uses a chatbot called Dom that allows customers to order pizzas directly from its Facebook Messenger app. Dom not only takes orders, it can also answer questions, offer recommendations, and promotions. This improves customer service efficiency and frees up employees to focus on more complex tasks. Another way AI is being used in marketing is through customer segmentation and personalization. Companies collect a lot of data about their customers, and AI can help analyze this data to identify patterns and trends. This allows companies to segment their customers into different groups and personalize their messages and offers for each group. Amazon is a perfect example of this. They use AI algorithms to analyze the buying behavior of their customers and personalize product recommendations. In addition, AI is also used for price optimization. AI algorithms can analyze a large amount of data to predict demand and adjust prices in real time. Uber is a good example of this. They use an AI-based pricing system that analyzes factors such as supply and demand, time of day, and traffic to adjust their prices. 2. Artificial intelligence in design. In design, AI is revolutionizing the way things are created. From logo design to advertising, AI is helping companies save time and money. Today, there are many AI tools that can generate logos in a matter of minutes. For example, tools like Looka and Shopify's Hatchful allow users to create custom logos simply by entering information about their business and selecting a few design preferences. These tools use AI algorithms to generate logo designs based on user preferences. In addition, AI is also being used to create advertising. For example, marketing company Jivox uses AI to create personalized ads in real time. Jivox's platform uses AI algorithms to analyze user data, such as location, browsing behavior, and purchase history, and then generates personalized ads based on this information. 3. Artificial intelligence in content creation. One of the most interesting ways AI is being used is in content creation. AI can now generate text, music, and even videos. For example, GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, is a generative language model that can write text that is virtually indistinguishable from what a human would write. GPT-3 can be used to generate all kinds of content, from blogs and articles to scripts for YouTube videos and podcasts. As a content creator, you can use GPT-3 to help you generate ideas, write content drafts, and save time in the content creation process. In addition, AI is also being used to generate music. Tools such as IVIA and Ampere Music use AI algorithms to compose original music in a matter of minutes. Users simply select a genre and mood, and the AI generates a piece of music that matches these specifications. In short, there are many ways you can make money with AI. Whether you're interested in marketing, design, content creation, or any other field, AI has the potential to enhance your work and increase your income. But remember, like any other tool, AI is only as good as how you use it. So make sure you're using AI ethically and responsibly. 4. Artificial intelligence in software creation. One field that has been profoundly transformed by AI is software development. From test automation to automatic code generation, AI has made software development more efficient and accessible. One way this is happening is through test automation. AI tools like Testim and Apvance can learn how an application works and then automatically generate and run tests. This not only saves time, but also improves software quality by finding and fixing problems that a human might miss. AI is also being used to generate code automatically. For example, Kite is a software development tool that uses AI to provide real-time code suggestions as you write. Not only this, but Kite can also automatically generate entire blocks of code based on your input. These are just a few of the ways AI is being used in software development. If you are a software developer, you can use these AI tools to increase your productivity and improve the quality of your work. And if you are an entrepreneur, you can create and sell your own AI tools for software development. 5. Artificial intelligence in data analytics. Data analysis is another field that has been transformed by AI. With the amount of data being generated every day, AI is needed to analyze and gain valuable insights from this data. One of the most common ways AI is used in data analytics is through machine learning. Machine learning is a subfield of AI that focuses on developing algorithms that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on it. Companies use machine learning for everything from fraud detection to supply chain optimization. For example, PayPal uses machine learning algorithms to detect fraudulent transactions. These algorithms analyze a large amount of data, including past transactions and user behavior, to identify patterns that may indicate fraudulent behavior. Another example is Amazon. They use machine learning algorithms to optimize their supply chain. These algorithms analyze data such as sales history, market conditions, and weather to predict demand for different products and optimize inventory and logistics accordingly. If you have skills in data science and machine learning, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money. You can work as a data scientist or machine learning engineer for a company, or you can start your own data analytics company. 6. Artificial intelligence in education. AI is also being used to improve education. From personalized tutoring to automatic test grading, AI has the potential to make education more efficient and personalized. For example, tools such as Carnegie Learning and Third Space Learning use AI to provide personalized tutoring. These tools can tailor lessons and exercises to the student's skill level and learning pace, providing a more efficient and personalized learning experience. In addition, AI is also being used for automated test grading. Tools such as Gradescope and Turnitin use AI to automatically grade exams and provide detailed feedback to students. This not only saves teachers time, but also provides students with faster and more consistent feedback. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used in education. If you are an educator or an entrepreneur in education, there are many opportunities to use AI to improve education and make money in the process. In short, AI is transforming a wide range of fields, from marketing and design to content creation, software development, data analytics, and education. There are many opportunities to make money with AI, either by working in one of these fields or by creating your own AI product or service. However, it is important to remember that AI is just a tool. Your ultimate success will depend on how you use this tool and how you combine it with your own skills and knowledge. 7. Artificial intelligence in finance. Finance is an area where AI has shown great potential both to optimize existing systems and to introduce new investment and wealth management opportunities. Here are some ways in which AI is changing finance. Machine learning algorithms, for example, are behind many high-frequency trading systems that make millions of transactions in milliseconds. These systems are able to analyze vast amounts of market data in real time, make accurate predictions, and execute transactions much faster than any human could. In addition, many banks and credit card companies use AI to detect and prevent fraud. AI algorithms are able to analyze suspicious behavior patterns and transactions, enabling companies to act quickly to avoid financial losses. New opportunities for investment and wealth management are also emerging thanks to AI. Robo-advisors, for example, are digital services that provide online financial advice or investment management with little or no human intervention. These services use algorithms to collect information from the client about their financial goals and risk tolerance, and then use this information to provide advice and/or automatically manage the client's investments. Examples of these services include Betterment and Wealthfront. 8. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. The healthcare industry is another that has embraced AI to improve patient care, optimize processes, and reduce costs. Machine learning algorithms are used to analyze a wide range of healthcare data, from medical images to patient records, to diagnose diseases, predict outcomes, and personalize treatment plans. One prominent application of AI in healthcare is disease detection and diagnosis. For example, Google Health has developed an AI algorithm that can detect breast cancer and mammograms more accurately than human radiologists. Another interesting application is personalized medicine, which refers to the customization of medical treatment to suit the individual characteristics of each patient. AI can analyze a large data set about the patient, including their genome, health history, and lifestyle, to provide personalized treatment. 9. Artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. In the world of cybersecurity, AI is playing an increasingly important role in preventing, detecting, and responding to cyber threats. Cybersecurity companies use AI to analyze behavioral patterns and detect suspicious activity, enabling companies to respond quickly to threats. For example, Darktrace, a leading cybersecurity company, uses AI to detect and respond to threats in real time. Its enterprise immune system technology uses machine learning algorithms to learn the normal life pattern of every user and device on a network, and then detect abnormal behaviors that may indicate a threat. If you have skills in cybersecurity and machine learning, there are plenty of opportunities to earn money. You can work as a cybersecurity specialist for a company, or you can start your own cybersecurity company. 10. Artificial intelligence in agriculture. Last but not least, AI is also being used to improve agriculture. From crop monitoring to optimizing the food supply chain, AI has the potential to improve the efficiency and sustainability of agriculture. For example, companies such as Blue River Technology and FarmBot are using AI to automate agricultural tasks. Blue River Technology has developed a machine called C-Spray that uses AI to recognize and selectively spray weeds, which reduces the amount of herbicide needed. FarmBot, on the other hand, is a robot that can automatically sow seeds, water plants, and remove weeds. Another application of AI in agriculture is crop monitoring. Companies such as Aerobotics and Ceres Imaging use drones and AI-equipped satellites to capture and analyze images of crop fields. These images can be used to detect problems such as disease or water stress, allowing farmers to act quickly to address these issues. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used in agriculture. If you are a farmer or an entrepreneur in agriculture, there are many opportunities to use AI to improve the efficiency and sustainability of your business. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is changing the world and creating new opportunities to make money. But to take advantage of these opportunities, you will need to understand how AI works and how it can be applied in different fields. Whether you're interested in marketing, design, software development, data analytics, education, finance, healthcare, cybersecurity, or agriculture, there are many ways you can use AI to improve your work and increase your income. But remember, like any other tool, AI is only as good as the way you use it. So make sure you are using AI ethically and responsibly.